Okay, next I'm going to review Michelina's Tuscan-Inspired garlic chicken pasta. Now this one is my go-to brand for TV dinners, but I've not tried this brand or this flavor before. I usually get the Alfredo chicken with broccoli. And I think these are about the cheapest also. Maybe they are the cheapest, I don't know for sure. Okay, I guess it's got some kind of roasted red peppers, guessing. Well, that's great. Made a mess already. I don't have any napkins over here. There's not much chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chunks of chicken, and that's it. Wow. I guess that's why they're the cheapest. But they're not that cheap. Okay. Let's try one of the 4 pieces. I want to try to get something red on here too. You don't want to go in there. It's not too bad. Let's give it a little bit more salt. This is way better than the Marie Callender's shepherd's pie. That's for sure. And it's a fraction of the price. Chicken was kind of weird. I'm not real sure this is real chicken. It don't really taste like chicken. It tastes like some kind of lab created meat. Unidentifiable. But it's not terrible. Needs quite a bit of salt. Okay, so on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being the worst, and 10 being the best, I think I'll give this one a, I think I'd give it a 2. Yeah, 2 out of 10. That's pretty good for a TV dinner. And it's really good for me because I'm so hard to please. Anyway, that's the end of the video.